Hey everyone, this is the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 11 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's good to have you. For all my new viewers, this is a channel all about investing money and being all in on Tesla shares no matter what. Join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. Yes, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, we're going to be going through my day 11 portfolio. I'm going to be sharing my portfolio before market open with pre-trading prices. I'm also going to be looking at the production numbers, which is likely to break Tesla out of its price range. And I'm also going to be looking at the Tesla 1-year chart to see where the price is headed to. So let's get into it. So day 11, 3rd of January 2022. So I've got two portfolios, portfolio A, portfolio B. The total number of shares that I hold in portfolio A is 117.69. In portfolio B, I have 90.80. So in total, I have 208.50509 shares in Tesla, and that's everything that I hold in terms of shares. So let's have a look at the price of Tesla. So the pre-market opening price for Tesla is 1130.80. So it's gone up by 7% today. At the opening bell, it's going to be up 7%. So I'm thinking it's going to keep on going up because they've had some really good production numbers and everybody's excited about the Tesla stock now. So if I multiply the number of shares that I hold by the price, the pre-opening price of Tesla, which is 1130.80, I get a total portfolio value of 235,777.56. So that's $235,777.56. So the daily movement is plus 15,433 pounds. Sorry, $15,433 and 54 cents. So that's the day 11 of 1000 update. So let's have a look at the daily news. What's happened to Tesla to make it like breakout? So Tesla, according to CNBC, Tesla delivered 936,172 electric vehicles in 2021, with the fourth quarter setting a new record. So that's really good news. News Nation USA says Tesla delivered nearly 1 million EVs in 2021. So that's again brilliant news. And also in electric, Tesla launches new AMD chip and a 12-volt lithium ion battery in 2022. So Model 3 and Model Y vehicles are going to have the new lithium ion battery in 2022. So all very bullish news. You know, all the investors are getting excited about this. So let's get into the technical analysis and see how this news could affect the charts. So if we have here the 1-year technical analysis on Tesla is the 3rd of January 2022. So as you can see, I haven't marked anything up yet. So you've got the price movements in candlesticks. You've got the two lines. The moving average is 50 and the moving average is 200, which is the red line. You've got my two favorite indicators. So on the top, you've got relative strength index, RSI, and you've got MACD at the bottom. So what I've done here is I've marked up the chart. So really quickly, I'm going to go through this really quickly because I've been through this before. So this is just for the benefit of my new viewers. So I've got 3 trend lines, T1, T2, and T3. So they're all trending upwards. So it's a trend that's going up and it's channeling between these 3 lines. I've got S1 support at 1000. So this is a really strong support at the moment. So if price was to go down, it'd probably go down to 1000 before it bounces back. So what I've done next is I've put in another trend line, T4 and T5. Now this is going downward, so it's a downward trend. This has probably been caused by, you know, the market volatility lately, all the bad news that's coming out, Elon Musk selling his shares. So that's caused a downward pressure on Tesla, but it's channeling down. It's not gone completely downwards, it's channeling downwards, which shows this is kind of a strong stock. So then what I've identified for everyone is a flag pattern. So if I put the line F1, you can see that it looks like a flag pattern. So this is a really bullish sign. So we just needed some sort of good news, which we got recently, to break it out of this pattern. So the possible move upwards is between 14 and 1500 pounds. So what I've done is I've taken the length of the flagpole, which is F1, and then I've superimposed it on the other side to get my price target. So I'm targeting about 1450 at the moment. And given the good news that's come out about production numbers, they've actually smashed their production numbers. I think there's a very good probability that it's going to head to this price. So what I've also done is, if you have a look at RSI and MACD, once the market opens today, you will see that RSI will start jumping up. You'll also see MACD jumping up. On MACD, you can already see a bullish crossover signaling a buy signal, and also RSI is above 50. It was going down, but because of this news, it's going to start going up again. So the indicators are now becoming more bullish as well to support this price move upwards. So where is the price headed to? So this is the question we all need to be asking ourselves. So we've got 3 resistance levels that I've put down on this chart. So this chart shows the last 40 days of price movement. I've got the RSI on the top and the MACD at the bottom. So you can clearly see the flag pattern there as well. You can see that RSI was trending a little bit downwards, but once the news and the price increase is factored in, RSI is going to start heading upwards. Possibly it's going to be touching the 70 level again with MACD as well. Both the black line and the red line are going to start heading up as well. I've already had the bullish crossover on MACD, which is a good sign as well. And another good sign is that price is at the upper level of the flag, and it's just above the MA50 as well. So it's causing like a tight squeeze there. Like a lot of sellers and buyers were like, looking at this price, but now that price has broken out of this range, I think it has got a lot of room to go up. So what are the resistance levels? So my first target is going to be 1172.84. So that's the third previous high. My second target is going to be 1201.95. That's the second previous high. And my third target is going to be 1243.49, which is the all-time high. So if the momentum continues, it could rise to as much as 1450 before it starts to consolidate. So it's a really, really good time for Tesla now. So anybody who's bought into it previously, just before Christmas, they got a really good price. The best price that you were able to get was about I think $846.12, when the price was just between MA50 and MA200. So anybody who got in there, that's a very good price. Anybody who got in between the channel, you got a good price as well. So price is going to start to go upwards now. So what are the key points? So there's been some extremely bullish production numbers, and Tesla have smashed analysts' expectation. I think the analysts were expecting around 230 to 240,000 cars produced for this quarter, but Tesla have actually gone above and beyond, and they've actually produced 306,000 vehicles. So they've kind of like smashed it, and they've broken the upper barrier. So analysts have to look at this again, revisit their price targets. And what I'm thinking is most analysts are gonna look at this change and then upgrade their price targets as well. Also, the flag and pole pattern is more likely to play out, and price could potentially reach 1450. So the probability has increased for the price to reach 1450 in my opinion. So that's my next target, 1450. So another key point is 1090 was a strong resistance for Tesla, but this has been broken in pre-market trading. If there is no negative macro news, then price should keep going up this week. So as long as there's no negative news, news about more interest rate hikes, news about inflation being worse than we expected, then the price of Tesla should keep on going up. Also, RSI will become positive and head up. MACD will also move up, and a bullish crossover has already taken place. So indicators are supporting a big move upwards, and there's more momentum. Basically, they're getting more momentum in their movement. So in my opinion, price is very likely to return to all-time highs and possibly exceed them as well. So what is my plan now? So I know I've got an idea of what's gonna happen. So what is my plan now? How can I capitalize on this? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to dollar cost average into Tesla share and buy at regular intervals no matter what. So it doesn't matter if the price is at all-time highs, if it doesn't matter if price is at all-time lows. I'm still gonna dollar cost average my way into this stock. So whenever I have some money, at regular intervals, I'm gonna start investing it. I'm gonna continue investing in Tesla. So also what I'm gonna do is wait for the next correction to buy more than usual. The previous all-time high could become the new support for Tesla, which is at 12.25. So again, I'm just gonna wait on the sidelines. I'm gonna dollar cost average into the stock as usual, and next time when there's a dip, I'm gonna try and buy more because I'm reducing my cost basis, and that is the most important thing for me. The more I can reduce my cost basis, the more I can buy at cheaper prices, the quicker I can reach my target of $1 million. Thirdly, I'm not going to sell my position. So I'm getting a lot of questions saying, you've done quite well, it's gone up another 7%. Maybe it's time to sell your shares, take some off. So, I'm not going to sell my position. Over the long term, there's so much more upside. So I'm not going to make the same mistakes I made with Amazon, Apple, Google, buying and selling all the time, trading and, not really getting anywhere. Now I've become a more mature investor. I'm a long-term investor. I can see that Tesla is very similar to Google, it's very similar to Amazon, it's very similar to Apple, not in the exact same sector, but all the ingredients are there for them to grow potentially and possibly go 10x from here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be patient and wait for the next buying opportunity. So when some bad news comes out, when some negative news comes out, I'm going to be, trying to buy as much as possible. At the moment, everyone is excited. Everyone is elated. They're really happy about Tesla, which is good. And they're going to try and get in at all-time high prices. So I'm going to be patient at this time. I'm going to see when there's a pullback and then I'm going to try and get in again. So I bought some shares near 1050. So I'm happy at the moment. So what I'm gonna do now is share the 10-year chart with you for Tesla. You're probably sick and tired of this chart by now, but this is for the benefit for me, for my new viewers, and also for my existing viewers as well. I always want to share this because I want to show you that investing in Tesla is not gonna be a straight line. It's not going to be all happy and all smile. There are going to be corrections and big corrections. Over the last 10 years, Tesla has fallen 20% or more on 15 different occasions. So again, I keep on telling people and I keep on telling myself it will not be plain sailing. So I'm not going to expect a straight line. So again, I've got the 5-year weekly chart for you as well. So again, you're probably sick and tired of this, but I'm reminding myself and everybody else that, in the last 5 years, Tesla has fallen 20% or more on 9 different occasions. So, again, it's not going to be plain sailing. You're going to have days like this when it's up 7%. It might be up more tomorrow, like 10% or whatever. You've got the good days and you've got the bad days. Hopefully there's going to be more better good days than bad days, or the good days are going to be bigger percentages compared to the bad days. But you just have to remain patient, be invested in the stock and buy at low prices. So finally, I wanted to share this incredibly popular Amazon Tesla comparison analysis. So I always get a thumbs up because of the charts these charts that I'm sharing. So Amazon and Tesla are very similar stocks. They're in different sectors, obviously, but they've both got driven CEOs. They're both leaders in their respective fields. They're going to be leading the way in innovation, in battery technology, in full self-driving for Tesla. So these two companies are very similar. They have the same work ethic and they really want to go places. So Amazon is quite a mature company now. It's been with us for about 25 years now, and it's gone up about 196,000%. Tesla, on the other hand, has been trading publicly for about 11 years. It's gone up over 28,000, which is a lot, I understand, but I think there's still room for it to go. So if you're concerned, oh, is this, should I be buying at all time high prices? What I would say is, consider what I'm doing, which is, dollar cost average into this share. So I've been dollar cost averaging into this share for the last 18 months, and it has been very good for me. So I still think Tesla has the capacity to 10x as long as they can execute, as well as they're hoping to. Then I think they can 10x. Obviously, if there's a blip in execution, that's going to be an opportunity for me to buy into Tesla at depressed prices. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. For anyone who's interested, I invest money with Free Trade. It's an app and it allows you to purchase shares. It's a tax-free vehicle, so any capital gains that you make, you can keep. So this is available in the UK. It's a very, very simple interface and it's very easy to trade. There's a cheap monthly cost of £3 per month, which is like nothing. You can buy and sell shares commission free, and there's immediate deposits from your bank account. There's a huge variety of stocks and shares that you can choose from, both in the UK and US. And what I've done for you is I've left a referral link below. So if you sign up using the referral link, you could get up to £200 in free stock. So I will get something as well. So it's a win-win situation. So make sure you take advantage of that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. Join me. I appreciate any likes and I will read all your comments and reply to them. I appreciate your subscription, I really do, and I will always try to bring you value with my charts, with my analysis, which is hopefully going to get better as time goes on. And I want to wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day and I wish you all the best.